In this lesson, we learn how to make buns with cabbage. So to begin, add sugar and dry yeast to a cup with liquid. So this is the liquid from making cottage cheese, but if you don't have it, you can simply substitute with water or with milk. Okay, then add to it 1-2 tablespoons of flour and mix well. Leave it in one place for 15 minutes. And when it's ready, add to it milk. Next, add salt to a bowl with flour and make a little well. Pour little by little the yeast mixture and simultaneously combine with flour. Alright, now knead the dough. Add to it vegetable oil as well. And continue kneading it for about 5-7 minutes more. And let it double. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the filling. So cook the eggs. Then slice the cabbage and thinly chop it. Chop the onion as well. Next, we're gonna stir fry it. So add it to the pan. And leave it until it becomes soft. Then add to it cabbage. And carefully stir to combine. Cover with a lid and let it stew for a few minutes. Then add to it some water and let it stew for 5-7 minutes more. Next, add to it sugar, salt and pepper. And mix well. Stir it for 2-3 minutes more and turn off the heat. Finally, add to it eggs. And combine it together. So stir it for 2-3 minutes more and turn off the heat. After an hour, the dough must be ready. So take it out and place it on the surface with flour. So divide it into two, then into smaller pieces. So use your fingers to fold sides under and tuck it into middle. And just repeat it until you see the top becomes smooth. Okay, just let them rest for a few minutes. Next, spread vegetable oil on baking sheet. And from this little dough, make a little boat like this. Stretch a little bit. And place to it 1-2 tablespoons of the filling. So that will be enough. Carefully join the corners like this and pinch it tightly. Rotate it in your hands a little bit. And that's it. Okay, now we'll need egg yolk to brush the buns. So separate egg yolk from egg white. Add to it sugar and mix it. Now brush each with egg yolk. And bake in the preheated oven for 20 minutes. When it's ready, generously butter them. And cover with a cloth. Let it rest for about 10-15 minutes and it's done. So as you can see, the buns are super soft. Enjoy!